technology is remotely controlling the human race. How do you know this?
I want money like Cosby, who would? There's this kind of talk that make me think you probably ain't got no point.
Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. First of all, thank you for all the love in the last video. That was like a nice little fun video to make. We got these Yeezys, man, and the on-foots are holding me up at this point. The next videos coming up, they're going to be kind of like, you know, run and gun, run and shoot type of videos. They're going to be short. On-foots won't be so adventurous. All right, let me hop out the car real quick, guys. So... The Yeezys were cool, man. The Yeezys were cool. I love them. It's like my favorite Yeezy next to the Pirate Blacks. You know what I'm saying? 750s. Just a little too small. I don't know how we got... I know what happened. They're used to sending me 9.5s. So they sent me a 9.5 in the Yeezys. It's not the biggest deal. I just really like the shoe. And I wish I could have got a 10. So maybe next time around, I'll get a 10. Or I'll just probably get a size 10 from somebody else and see if they're any different than what Kicks for Days... And see if they're different than what Kicks for Days is bringing to the table. I just did that cut. I just did that take like 3 times in a row. My God, it's hot, guys. I gotta go. Peace, love, and light. Follow me on IG. I'm gonna do a giveaways. I got some stuff. You know what I'm saying? I got these. I didn't even know I had these. I had no idea I even had these. These were just chilling in my car. And if I went through my car, it'd be really interesting to see what I find. But I found these. I may give these away. These came from. I really can't say that here, but I'll probably give these away. So make sure you follow me on IG and we'll see what we can do. Peace, love, and light, guys. I'm out of here. I'm dying in this car. It's like freaking hot.
Hot. That doesn't even describe how hot it was in that car. But what is good, guys? We have the 350 Turtle Doves, and I really, really love this sneaker. It says Turtle Dove Bluegra and Sea White, Turtle Bluegra and Blackra. Wait. Cut that blues back on, please. Please bring the blues back in, please. There we go. Thank you. And I went off camera to open this box because it was a mess, and opening these boxes sometimes it is a little exercise. So again, these are from Kicks for Days, 350 Turtle Doves. These are considered the OGs. People really didn't like these. I loved them, and here we are in 2022. Probably going to get a re-release on these. Back then, Nike's response was the Nike Roshi, and I used to love this shoe. That's the same pair I had. And I was trying to pretend that I had these right here. So shout out to the Roshi. This shoe right here pretty much killed it. And that's weird because, first of all, you couldn't really get a Turtle Dove, and it was like double the price of a Roshi. So shout out to the Roshis, man. You guys had your place. But look at these, man. I just love how this is like the first knit sock shoe, actually. And people tried to make fun of it. I mean, I remember when you would legit check these. They're like, oh, the red dots don't line up and all that stuff. This was years and years and years ago. They had UAs of these back in, like, as soon as they released, and I just didn't know how to get them back then, and that's another story. But just going over some of the details, I'm pretty sure there's some people that had the originals and they're looking at these like, wow, these are pretty much spot on, especially with them coming from Kicks for Days. There's little nipples and the foam and all that stuff. I don't know if these are BASF boosts and all that stuff. I really don't know. I'm just upset that I got a smaller pair, and hopefully I'll get a size 10. But even look at the bottom. The bottom even looks better than the 350 V2. And I think that's a reason why I like the OG Turtle Dove is because when they made the 350 V2, starting with the cream white, after that they just went crazy with them, and I was like, all right, like I was into the V2s, and now I really can't even stand them. Some of them are okay, but they just burnt me out. So seeing the Turtle Dove in its true OG form really makes my feet happy. So, and I think they have like, there was like a moon rock pair, there was like a sand, I can't remember all those names back then. I just know I didn't have not one pair of them. And you see that bottom right there, people were like, the bottom's too big, they look crazy. And the V2 has even more of a bottom. Like if you look at a V2, it looks even more like an elf shoe. There's nothing special about that insole, but the V2 has a thicker base than this V1. And the V2 actually does feel better, but I don't have these in my true size because I'm actually wearing these without an insole, and that's what it looks like without the insole. And a lot of people do that actually. I've heard people tell me they wear Yeezys without the insoles. That's just how it is, but I don't like to wear them that way, so hopefully I'll get a size 10. Enough on that. Under the black light, people are really just looking at the boost. I mean, there's stitching there, but that's just stitching. It's not really a call out. YZY on the side, that looks good. That looks good. The whole shoe, to me, it looks amazing. I don't know how you could call these out at all. And there were so many fakes back in the day of these, like it was just insane. So here we are again, and I appreciate you guys. Videos are shorter, I know, but I am going to do a giveaway. I'm not bluffing on that, so make sure you follow me on IG. Peace, love, and light, and I'm out.